Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It was quite long that I was not able to upload a video because of work. This is my routine. I wake up at 4 o'clock and 51 minutes early in the morning for work. So that is my alarm. So then I change my clothes, and then after everything, and then I go down and then I make a coffee, and then after a coffee, and then put winter clothes because it's now cold outside. So ito ang buhay pag may trabaho ka, pag nagtatrabaho ka dito sa Holland, sa Netherlands. So my work is shifting, so that's why I have a work very early in the morning and also at night. So after this one, then I go out. So this is it. I'm going out na. I'm walking na in the road because the bus is a little bit of like 5 to 7 minutes walk going to the bus stop. And as you can see, it is very dark and it's really cold. Fog. And now I am now in the highway. Near in, you can see the car passing by. Near in the bus stop, I just walk. So this is the life here in Holland if you do a work. So kung kayo ay pinag-aral ng mga nanay ninyo or mga auntie ninyo, magsusumikap kayo na mag-aral ng mabuti para kayo matapos sa pag-aaral. Because it is by God's grace na nakapag-aaral kayo dyan sa Pilipinas at nakapagtrabaho yung mga nanay ninyo or mga auntie, and they are in good health. So in return, study hard para matapos. So thank you for watching, and sana may makukuha kayo na mensahe na ito